Very good evening to everyone, and thank you for joining us today. The time now is 7 p.m., but I'm just going to give another minute for more of our eligible participants to enter before I just want to begin with a quick market summary on what our speakers, we've had many webinars during the course of this campaign, or I just want to just quickly touch on all of these speakers, what they mentioned, as well as share with everyone where you can find all the different resources in case you want to refer to them again, or you missed out something and then you want to just check it out again. So I'm just going to give another minute for everyone to join back in, and then we'll begin the session proper. So about 7:02 we'll begin. So the way today's webinar is structured, we'll just have a quick market summary that our guest speakers have talked about. I would not spend more than 15 minutes on this. I just want to quickly touch on what they have mentioned, a few of the main points that I feel good takeaway points that they talked about, especially since a lot of them they're all professionals in the industry, and it's good to refer back once in a while, even for future references as well. Okay, and after I talk about what they have mentioned during the course of the campaign in all our webinars, we will go into the lucky draw. And so how this lucky draw is going to work later on is, let me just show everyone a quick preview. Okay, later on I will reset this screen, but basically what's going to happen is I'm going to put everyone's all our eligible participants account numbers into this wheel. Okay, as currently you can see for our existing clientele, the batch of clients, there's 17,350 entries. So I'm going to put it in the wheel, and we're going to start from the first place to second place to third place to fourth place, all the way until the 10th place. And when it reaches the 10th place, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the wheel shorter, or rather, I'm going to make the spin time shorter, and then we will roll all the way until the 50th place. And after that has been completed, we will move on to the next group, which is the new clients. If you remember the campaign, there are some clients who are belong in the existing. Some of you belong in the existing category. Some of you belong in the new category. So we will roll these two separately. And all the best to everyone. I hope you. And oh, one more thing. At the end of today's session, I would like to. There's for those of you, inevitably there will be some of us who are eligible participants but do not win, and that is okay. At the end of this webinar, I would like to just offer everyone a small consolation, and for those who did not win, I just want to offer you a small consolation. But we'll talk about that at the end of the webinar. Okay, so let's just begin the webinar proper. Now, firstly, before we go into the lucky draw, okay, a quick summary. So we had some guest speakers during this campaign period. We had Mr. Louis Wong from Field Securities Hong Kong, Mr. Bruce Zhang from CSOP Asset Management, Mr. Raymond Ting from China AMC, and Mr. Vincent Che from Ping An. And I see some familiar names. I know some of you have been the webinar, and you probably saw me quite a little bit during this promoting some ETFs as well. Welcome back, and thank you for investing in the Hong Kong market. Now let's move. Okay, so let's talk about CSOP Asset Management. Mr. Bruce Zhang, in his presentation, covered what I would call kind of the fundamentals on the basis on why on what we should look out for, because we know that the markets have a lot of headwinds. We know that they have a lot of challenges, and he highlighted some very important challenges in his presentation. He dubbed it the grave challenges in understanding China, as you can see over here. And the first one, of course, was the economic structural transformation that China was going through, and he explained in great detail, especially a lot of a lot of the metrics, so to speak, like China's GDP, consumption, and their current economic structure. Okay, and he also talked about, briefly, he mentioned about something closely tied to COVID zero, retail sales of consumer goods. Okay, and he has some charts to it. And the next challenge that he brought forward, which a lot of us know about and a lot of us also feel, is the lack of confidence in the market. Okay, and he covered four main points to it, which is the high saving rate worldwide, the paradox of thrift, and something along the lines of another point he brought about in Keynesian economics about the paradox of thrift, as well as the latest planned deficit rate, as you can see from the slides over here as well. And the last challenge that he spoke about was risks from the property sectors. Excuse me. Yeah. So a lot of these challenges were brought up in that needed to be overcome in order for us to see like an improvement in the markets, especially coming from the lack of confidence, a lack of investor confidence in the markets as well. Okay, some of the opportunities, of course, when we talk about the headwinds of the market, we don't just want to talk about the negatives. A lot of our speakers also say, hey, even though the market is going through this right now, here are some opportunities that you should look out for. Here are some of the things you should look out for when you want to invest inside the Chinese market or the Hong Kong market. Okay, and one of these are the three things that he brought up, which is China tech sectors. Okay, it has a lower valuation with a higher growth potential, and he explained it in pretty good detail. And China markets with a passive inflow as well as a high dividend strategy. Okay, so I will not be able to go through in full detail what everything that Mr. Zhang has said. However, this is not the end of. Of course, I'm not just going to tell you just a little bit about it and then not let you know where you can view it. So, if you're interested in everything that all these little bits that I mentioned so far, okay, I've put a link in the chat. You can actually go and see Mr. Zhang's full presentation over there, along with some ETFs that are highlighted in this webinar as well. So again, some of the main points that Mr. Zhang went through was the challenges that is faced for the Chinese market and some opportunities that you can find within these challenges within the market. Okay, and the replay is available on the chat. Maybe you can just head on to the YouTube, drop a quick like, and you'll be able to go back to it later. Okay, excuse me for a moment. Okay, so now we move on to China AMC. Okay, so our speaker, I believe Mr. Jing, he actually he talked about some of the macro reviews, and he basically talked about the macro environment of the China market. Okay, and some of the pointers that he brought up was high quality development under this seeking progress while maintaining stability, industrial policies that focus on new quality productivity, and so on and so forth, as you can see from this slide here, like innovative development, industry leading advantage of intelligent internet connected new energy vehicles, okay, expansion of the domestic demand. Okay, so these are the things that basically his coverage was of the China macro environment. Okay, so if I'm just going to move on from this for a while. I just give a short pause for everyone to take a quick glance. Okay, these points had gone through in a lot greater detail during the webinar itself, but I don't want to spend maybe 20-30 minutes explaining what Mr. Ting has already explained very well over there. Okay, and of course, again, we are not just going to talk about the negatives. We always talk about the opportunities. So you want to know the justification behind these opportunities. Okay, then you can take a look at the replay. Okay, so they talk about they are being bullish on some investment opportunities in the medium term. Okay, the AI industry is one of them. Semiconductor and the pharmaceutical industry are all mentioned and spoke about in greater detail. Okay, and likewise, you can find the replay over here. Okay, so this is what China AMC went through. Okay, some highlights on the macro environment. Okay, as well as some investment opportunities that they talked about and that they were bullish on. So this is generally things that we will be interested in because they are bullish on it. Okay, so now it's 7:10. I'm just going to move quickly on to the next. Okay, Ping An, we had a webinar with Mr. Vincent Che. Okay, so one of the interesting things that was done during this webinar, okay, was that they presented to us, he presented to us several cases of possibilities. So in their eyes and in their opinion, it has to follow one of these cases. Of course, they have a base case, a bull case, and a bear case, which is exceedingly well explained during the webinar itself. Okay, and likewise later on I will share the link replay. Just give it a like and then you can go back to it later on. Okay, but they talked about the base case in which things like nothing really changes, modest economic recovery, slowing trend of foreign capital outflows, real estate fundamentals, gradual, kind of like the slow horizontal thing. Then they talk about the bull case, strength and speed of policies implemented, exceed expectations. Foreign capital continues to reduce, underweight positions in Hong Kong stocks. Okay, and then they talk about bear case, spread of real estate risk. Okay, the policy implementations that he spoke about, the strength and speed fall short of expectations, and the U.S. election year, the China-U.S. relations may deteriorate further. Okay, and also one thing that I feel was very interesting that they shared is their portfolio theme, which is something that they call a barbell approach, going along with a few themes. Okay, one is a high dividend theme, and then consumption recovery, as you can see here, and the healthcare sector, and then followed by the innovation, technological innovation. So this barbell strategy that they basically split it down into four main themes, so it's easy to understand and digest. So if that is of interest to you, then you can go and take a look at the webinar. I'm just going to pop the replay into the chat again. Okay, so Ping An of China, the replay is also over there. Okay, so whatever they have discussed is not over yet. you know there are a lot of things that have yet to happen, so it's always good to try and stay ahead of the curve, or even if you're not trying to stay ahead of the curve, it is in your greater interest to know as much as possible. And of course, all these professionals, we they will offer you as much as they can through all these webinars, and we hope that you learn something from it, and we hope that it has aided you in your journey as well. So we'll move on to the last, where we had Mr. Louis Wong. He spoke about some of what we dub as the value stocks. Okay, and I will not go through in detail any of the value stocks here, but I would just like to show all 10 value stocks that he has actually mentioned. Okay, sorry, flu season. Okay, just some of the value, or rather all of the value stocks that were mentioned in a four-part series. Okay, so let me just go through quickly and copy the link. Okay, so he went through Chow Tai Fook, One One Holdings, Sinopharm, Bank of China, and BYD Electronics. Not BYD is only, it's just BYD Electronics. Okay, and also China Communications Construction, CGM Power, China Shenhua, Sinop, and China Mobile. Okay, you can see the whole. Okay, so this one is a playlist. Okay, so it's got all four, where Mr. Louis Wong goes through in great detail on, like, okay, this is the counter, this is how they've been performing for the past year, this is what they're doing now, this is why we feel like this is a value stocks, this is the valuation, this is their comparison against the market flow and everything. So all those reasonings and all the explanations and all the data that all the investors you all want are all inside those webinars. So go and give it another look, okay, and find out why these are value stocks. Find out why these are chosen, okay, and learn more about them. Who knows, if it's a good case and it aligns with your own analysis, then all the better to know more. Okay, so again, these five and these five. Okay, so I've actually come to the end of the summary. So now I want to just proceed on to the main part of the event. Okay, so I'm just going to stop my sharing for a short while. Okay, so I'm going to prepare. Okay, let me just start the share so that everyone can see how I am preparing this. Okay, so everyone, you should be able to see the wheel now. Okay, so what I'm going to do so that you all know that it's all fair, I didn't like predetermine anything. I'm just going to refresh the page. Okay, and as you can see, it resets everything. So I'm just going to do all this, adjust all the settings again. Okay, okay, so I have my numbers. Okay, and I'm going to shuffle them so that they're in no particular order. Okay, so you can see 17,350. Okay, these are basically all of you who are eligible, all of you who are watching this, your account number is in this wheel. Okay, all the best to our attendees who have attended, who are attending right now. Okay, one more time. Okay, so I'm just going to just uh, do these quick little changes. Okay, okay, and we're ready. So this is for our existing clientele. Okay, so those of you who fall under the existing category, this is for you. Okay, and now we will decide the winner of the first place. Okay, which is a pair of Hong Kong tickets. Sorry, not a pair of Hong Kong tickets, a pair of airplane tickets to and fro Hong Kong. We will email you and we will make the arrangements with you separately. Okay, without further ado, let's roll the wheel for first place in our existing sector. Okay, congratulations to our account number 2035292. Okay, I just need to record this down. Okay, 2035292. I don't know if you're here. Okay, I'm not gonna find your name now and then go and congratulate you over the webinar because I don't want to say your name. But if this is your account number, you have won the first place for your category. Congratulations. Okay, let me just record down for a moment. Give me a while. Okay, 2035292. Okay, and now that you've won first place, I will remove you from the list. Okay, moving on to second place. Now this is a stay at Shangri-La Sentosa. Okay, a one night stay at Shangri-La Sentosa. Okay, congratulations to 2158329. You have won our second place. Okay, and oh, if you're a winner, uh I mean, you can celebrate in the chat and all that, but do it privately with us so you don't put your name. Okay, so 2158329, congratulations, you are second place, and now I'll remove your name from all the others. Okay, now for third place, this is a Chow Tai Food mystery gift, and since it's from Chow Tai Food, you already know it's going to be gold. Okay, so let us roll for the third place winner. Okay, account number 1169116. Very nice account number. Okay, you are the winner of third place. Congratulations. Now I'm going to remove again. Okay, and actually, you know what? I'm going to full screen it. Should I full screen it? Yeah, let's try it on full screen. Okay, so fourth place. Now we're rolling for fourth place. We're going to roll until 10th place, by the way. Okay, the slow ones. Okay, now 0567680. Congratulations, you are the winner for fourth place. Okay, removed. Now we're moving on to fifth place. 1301320. Congratulations, you are the winner of fifth place. Okay, sixth place. It's not too late yet. Don't worry for those who are like not in the top 10. We'll still roll. You'll still get your vouchers and coupons and the cash credit from poems, everything. There's still a lot to go. Okay, so you haven't won yet. No worries. Sixth place. 0328359. Congratulations, you are our sixth place winner. Okay, 0328359. Congratulations. Now let us continue. Seventh place winner is 1132074. Congratulations, you are our seventh place winner. Remove all instances. Okay, let's see for our eighth position. 3640295. Congratulations, you are our eighth place winner. Okay, remove all instances. 303360. You are our ninth place winner. I hope you are in the chat. Okay, I hope you all are here seeing yourself win live. Okay, for those who haven't won yet, don't worry, we still got a ways to go. Okay, remove all. Now, let us go for 10th place. 0621073. You are our 10th place winner. Okay, congratulations to all those who have won so far. You know, we're very happy that you've been involved in trading the Hong Kong markets. We hope that somehow along the way in our webinars and in our market journals, we have been instrumental to your decision making process as well. Now we're going to roll to the 50th place, but of course, let me just open up the. Let me just show you all the. Just show everyone the prizes again. Okay, first place air ticket, second place Shangri-La, third place, okay, and then third place is the Chow Tai Fook mystery gift, fourth prize Samsonite gift card, fifth prize Xiaomi gift card, 6 to 10 is a Hai Di Lao cash voucher. You know, let us treat you to a meal. Okay, so 11 to 25th is a $58 poems cash credit, and 26 to 50th is 28 poems cash credit. So now I just want to make the wheel a little bit faster so that we can move on to the next. Oops, sorry. Let's make it once. Let's make it 2 seconds. Okay, now 11th place. 2157568. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit faster here. Okay. 12th place, we have 3079989. Okay. Still got a chance. You still can win that cash credit. 2093194. You are 13th. One zero four five six one nine. You are 14th place. 1232541. You are 15th place. 1109020. Congratulations, you are 16th. Enjoy that $58 cash credit. 2097346. You are 17th place. 0163479. 1158533. Congratulations, you are 19th. And you were very lucky. Okay, 202515. For those of you who are wondering why I said they were lucky, is because out of 16,000 entries, our dear friend actually had only one entry and they still managed to win. Okay, 21st place. We have 1109789. 112213. Congratulations, you are our 22nd place winner. Okay, we're almost halfway through. 1220718. You are our 23rd place winner. 2193772. You are 24th place. 0249678. You are 25th place. 2094878. You are 26th. Okay, so for all of you who are a little bit disappointed, it's okay. You still have cash credit. Okay, we're not done yet. You know, there's still like we're only halfway through. Okay, 2192865. Congratulations, you are 27th place. 1128736. You are 28th place. I see some people leaving. I think they won and then they're like, oh, you know, I can leave. Okay, no issues. If you won and you've left, it's okay. We understand. 1149963. Congratulations, you are 29th place. Okay, 3098019. Congratulations, you are 30th place. 2051999. Nice number. 31st. 1187059. 2099865. You are 33rd place, in case anyone has lost track. 2197167. Congratulations, you are 34th place. 3014181. You are 35th place. Okay, we're getting close to the end now. Before we jump back in with the new list. 1077123. 2140022. Congratulations, you are 37th place. 0509516. You are 38th place. 0641944. You are 39th place. 1232359. Wow, okay. It's a very nice number. You are 40th. 0471425. You are 41st. 0408695. 1148624. You are 43rd place. Okay, we're down to the last 7. 2151893. You are 44th place. 2066314. You are 45th place. 1120446. You are 46th place. We're down to the last five. 2097992. You are 47th. 1095021. You are 48. You squeezed in the last three. Congratulations. Last two. 2090866. You are 49. And the last winner for our existing category, 0496 374. Congratulations to the 50 of you so far. You have all won something. Fantastic job. Okay. So now if you're, since you've been waiting, a lot of you have been waiting very patiently. Thank you for your part of the draw, especially if you belong in the new category. Okay. So you just give me a short while I load up the new names. Just going to refresh everything. Clean slate. Okay. Okay. We just key in just get the name list. A lot less than the existing clients. As you can see, only 1,811 of you, okay, as compared to the 17,000 earlier. Okay, now, okay, for our new client category, very warm welcome to Poems and a very warm welcome back to the Hong Kong markets. I hope your investing journey yields significant profits from here on out. Now, let us begin. For our first place winner, and just a reminder, first place is our air tickets to Hong Kong. Now, let's begin. Congratulations to 1224950. You are our first place winner. 1224950. You are our first place winner. We will contact you as soon as possible. Check your email. Okay, we'll even get your trade representative. For all those who have won the first place to the 10th place, we will contact you as soon as possible by tomorrow. Okay, so remember to check your emails. Okay, we'll even get, if we can't get to you, of course, we'll get your trading rep, your trading team to try and contact you as well. Okay, now, second place. 1282165. Congratulations, you are our second place winner. Okay, remove all instances. Okay, second place has been decided. Now we're rolling for that mystery gift from Chow Tai Fook. Let's see. 1035843. Congratulations, you are our third place winner. Okay. Sorry, I have to load up my. Okay, we're back. Okay, now for our fourth place winner. Let's see. Fourth place winner. 2048319. Congratulations. You are our fourth place winner. Okay, we're gonna remove that. Fifth place. Fifth place. We're rolling for fifth. 1225918. Congratulations. You are our fifth place winner. And you only made one trade. Congratulations. You're very lucky. 1077260. Congratulations. You are our sixth place winner. You get a voucher. Seventh place winner. 1175067. Congratulations. You are our seventh place winner. 1184739. Congratulations, you are our 8th place winner. Okay, ninth place. We're treating you to Hai Di Lao. With a ninth place winner will be 1165747. Congratulations, you are our ninth place winner. And for 10th place, 05648089. Congratulations, you are our 10th place winner. Okay, that's our top 10 winners. To all those who have won so far, congratulations. A very warm welcome. For those who are new, I'm very, very happy that you have won. We will contact you as soon as possible. Okay, so don't forget to check your email. If we can't contact you, if we can't call you, if your TR can't get to you, then we might have to re-roll your prize, and we don't want that. We don't want to do that either. So remember to check your email, especially those who have won the first few prizes. Okay, check your email. Okay, okay. Now, I just want to shorten this already to one. Can I do one? I don't think I can do one. Let's do two. Okay. 11th place to 50th place. Let's go quickly, okay? 0592200, you are 11th place. 1216142, you are 12th place. 2133278, congratulations, you are 13th place. 3093686, congratulations, you are 14th. Enjoy the cash credits. 2197493, you are 15th. Okay, for those who got cash credit, of course, you don't really need to wait around. We will just credit it to your account. You will be able to see it. We will make it as soon as possible, and then we will let you know via email when we are credited. Okay, 006165 you are 16th place. 171440, 2010628, you are 18th place. 2053699, you are 19th place. 1222946, you are our 20th place winner. 00464488, you are our 21st place winner. 2143673, you are our 22nd place. Congratulations. 2090997, you are our 23rd place winner. 1222095, you are our 24th place winner. 1100798, 25th place for you. 1298838, you are 26th place winner. 0507818, you are 27th place. 3237449, you are 28th place. 0467967, you are our 29th place winner. And not to worry if you haven't won yet, we still got 21 to go. 0254729, congratulations, you are 30th place. The average IQ in Singapore is 108. Okay, sure. Okay, 31st place. 2154094, you are 31st place. 2160456. You are 32nd place. 1193956. Congratulations, you are 33rd. 2092807. You are 34th. 1211466. 1215632. You are 36th place. 2198951. You are number 37. 0139623. 1049302. You are number 39. 1162163. You are number 40. Okay, we're down to the last 10. To all those who are still waiting around for your numbers to be called, I hope your number gets called soon. 1164013. You are number 41. 1119808. You are number 42. 2106183. You are number 43. 1109137. Congratulations, you are number 44. If you've waited around for this, you have fit in. 2145341. You are 45th place. And we're down to the last 5. Let's go. 0569360. You are 46. 053160. You are 47. 02600120. You are 48. 1166314. You are 49. Congratulations, you are the last 2. Now, who will be the last one? Okay, let's find out. Congratulations to our last winner. You are 50th place, 0634469. And that is it. We have come to the end of our lucky draw. And thank you everyone who have participated. And earlier on, I did mention, hey, if you're attending this webinar and you're like, but I didn't win anything, but I came, well, I have some good news for you. When you registered for the webinar, they would have asked you, hey, give me your Poems account number. Okay. And for those of you who are not in our winners list but are attending today, we will give you 3 months of complimentary Hong Kong mobile life price just because you joined today. Okay. Expect it to be activated soon. We will let you know. But on your own, what you can do is you can definitely go to your subscriptions and check. Okay. And for those of you who have not won anything here right now, we still want you to walk away with something since you joined us in this celebration today. And this is what we want to offer you, which is 3 months of mobile life price for the Hong Kong markets. And we hope that it will aid you in your investing journey as well. And with that, we have come to the end of today's webinar. Thank you so much for joining us and celebrating with us. Okay, I have no promotions, no more of this lucky draw promotion for you. I just want to gently remind you all again that the CSOP, China AMC, Ping An, and the value stocks replays are all available in the chat for you to go and take a look at it again. And once again, to all those who have won, if you're still here, for those of you who have won, a very big congratulations to you. Remember, we will try our best to contact you. So keep a lookout for our email and stand by maybe for your trading rep or your trading team to call you. And we'll get in touch with you as soon as possible. And thank you everyone for joining us in this celebration again today. And have a good evening ahead. Thank you.